Hey Jim, how's it going?
Hey there, Galley of the Sun!
So, did you know that on June 18th, 1984, Van Halen's masterpiece, Panama, was released?
It's a great song, worth celebrating.
Yeah. So, I'm down here at the Panama Canal, and I had an idea. We need to do another collaboration.
I happen to be driving my backwards boat over to the canal right now. Maybe I'll see you in person.
So, what I'm going to do is make a Panamanian treat. It's called caramaniola. It's like an empanada, but the dough is basically a mashed up yucca plant. Yeah, so I've had it. It's fantastic. Tastes like a stuffed French fry. So how could it possibly be wrong?
That dish sounds awesome. I love a yucca.
What you making?
I'm gonna be making a drink from Panama. It's called Chicheme.
Oh, that sounds incredible. Well, I think it's going to be another stellar collaboration between the two of us. Can't wait to see what you have.
I better hurry up and get back to my kitchen so I can make this drink. Good seeing you, buddy. Whoa, that was a good ride. Now let's make this chicheme. It sounds so unique. Grab your blender. We're gonna be starting with a can of super sweet corn. In the blender, drained. A 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. A 14-ounce can of condensed milk. Whoa, this is gonna be sweet. Half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon vanilla. I'm gonna blend this on high speed for about 2 minutes until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a pot. We're gonna be heating this up, stirring constantly. I'm adding a cinnamon stick. Bring that to a boil, then you're gonna turn down the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes and allow it to thicken. Remove cinnamon stick and allow it to cool to room temperature. Now I'm just gonna pour it into a pitcher with some ice cubes and just allow those ice cubes to melt. Wow, that looks amazing. Here's mine, Chicheme. Very thick. Sprinkle on a little cinnamon. Let's give it a taste. It is very thick, and it definitely has a corn taste, but it's the cinnamon that makes this taste so incredible. I love tasting new things, even different cultural things I've never had before. And you know what? You can try things too. It's a great thing to do. Thanks, Galley of the Sun, for taking part in this collaboration. Always wonderful hanging out with you. Cheers! What did the popcorn say to the baby corn? You've got your mother's ears.